Finance Ministry unveils major recruitment reforms for SBI, NBs and RRBs. DMER results 2025 released for laboratory technician and pharmacist post. CLAT 2026 answer key challenge window closes today at 5 pm. CBSE's biggest overhaul yet. 2025 rewrites the rules of schools education. IIT Guwahati hosts first CARE conference to shape India's responsible AI future. Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I'm Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the Finance Ministry has announced major reforms to streamline recruitment and result timelines for SBIs, nationalized banks and regional rural banks under IBPS. Following a DFS review, the move aims to curb high attrition caused by candidates shifting from RRBs to NBs and finally to SBIs. Results will now be declared in a fixed order: SBI first, then NBs, and later RRBs. Starting with officer level exam followed by clerical results, exam will also be following the sequence to enhance transparency and predictability. The revised system allows candidates to make quicker, better informed choices, strengthening workforce planning across banks. The reforms are expected to improve stability, reduce operational challenges, and ensure a more consistent recruitment experience for aspirants. The Directorate of Medical Education and Research has released the 2025 result for laboratory technician and pharmacist posts on its official website. Candidates who appeared for the computer-based test held in September and October can now download the PDF containing names, roll numbers, and marks for qualified candidates. These results form the part of recruitment drive for 1,107 Group C technical and non-technical posts across Maharashtra's government medical and dental colleges. Shortlisted candidates will proceed to the proficiency test and document verification. The CBT covered multiple posts including X-ray technician, ECG technician, stenographer, driver, and more. Candidates can access the results by visiting the official website and downloading the official PDF for verification. The Consortium of National Law University will close the CLAT 2026 provisional key objection window at 5 pm today. Candidates must submit challenges via the official portal where the objection fee has been reduced to Rs 500 per question from the earlier Rs 1000. The consortium will review all the valid objections before releasing final answer key and results. This year's exam saw higher participation across 156 centers in 25 states and UTs with 96%, 83% UG and 92.45 PG attendance. A total of 75,009 UG and 17,335 PG candidates registered. Objections must be filed by logging into CLAT account, selecting the booklet set detailing the issue, and paying the revised fees. Final results will be following the update key. CBSE's 2025 reforms marked a historic transformation towards flexible, tech-driven, competency-based learning. The board introduced a revamped curriculum for classes 10 and 12 focused on the application, interdisciplinary learning, and reduced rote study. Students gained greater flexibility with basic math students now eligible for math standards in class 11. Exams shifted sharply towards competency-based patterns with MCQs, case-based, data-based, and real-life application questions. Internal assessment rose to 40% while new vocational and skill-based subjects expanded career pathways. CBSE announced bilingual boards from 2026, strengthened identity protocols with mandatory APAR IDs, and tightened students' data verification. Digital evaluation expanded nationwide alongside stricter new rules for section-wise answer writing and penalties for errors. Altogether, 2025 reshaped how India teaches, evaluates, and prepares students. IIT Guwahati concluded its maiden CARE conference on data science and AI. a 3-day event bringing together leading experts from global institutions such as MIT Purdue, US, San Diego, Penn State, and top Indian institutions including IITs, IISERs, and NITs. The conference will contribute key insights to India's upcoming AI vision document focusing on responsible, transparent, and future ready AI development. Sessions cover generative modeling, explainability, hallucination resistant architectures, and sharpens aware learning. Researchers highlighted advancing in AI for healthcare, biomedicine, diagnostics, robotic, quantum algorithms, cybersecurity, and engineering. DRDO and academic experts also discussed AI's role in crypto analysis and dynamical systems. The conference marks a major step towards strengthening India's academic industry policy ecosystem for national AI leadership.